What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Einstein game token. This is from Einstein Desci, ticker symbol EIN. Now, it was just announced that this token is having starting a Launchpool event. This is a brand new project here. Where science meets Web3. So we're going to talk about the Einstein token, how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is einstein.game. Over there, you're going to find tons of links. We're going to go over what this project is in a second. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Einstein Desci on Twitter. A Desci social experiment, the perfect fusion of physics and Web3, unlocking endless possibilities in crypto. Has a link to their webpage right there, einstein.game. Almost 20,000 Twitter followers, 361 tweets, and a blue verified check mark. So this token here was just announced. Mexc just posted Einstein, ticker symbol EIN, Launchpool launch. So it says the reward pool is 50 million EIN tokens. So it says what you could do on Mexc Global. So this is before the actual full listing, which will occur on Mexc Global. For now, you can stake your USDT or MX, which is Mexc Global's token, to share a pool of 42,500,000 EIN tokens. You can also invite new users and share EIN, and the event goes May 18th all the way until July 17th. So you can check out this staking event on Mexc right now, and then the token will be listed on Mexc as well. So you'll not only be able to get involved with this launch pool event, but you can also get involved with the full listing when that comes to fruition on Mexc Global as well. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, then you can get involved with the launch pool event and then also get the full token when it gets listed on there as well. So, Einstein is an innovative social experiment that integrates scientific knowledge with Web3. This experiment allows individuals to explore cryptocurrency, blockchain, Web3, decentralized science, cosmology, and physics, fostering a spirit of exploration to discover the convergence of science and blockchain technology. From a physics perspective, the universe is composed of matter and energy. The interactions between matter and energy drive evolution and self-organization. These interactions are described mathematically and governed by conservation laws. There are three fundamental families of particles in nature: quarks, leptons, and mesons. All matter is composed of quarks and leptons, while mesons mediate interactions by transforming forces, which is energy, enabling various combinations. There are four fundamental forces: the strong nuclear force, the electromagnetic force, and the weak nuclear force, and gravity. These forces act concurrently, exerting distinct influences depending on spatio-temporal range, mass, and charge properties. Under the dominant influence of the strong nuclear force, quarks form protons, neutrons, and atomic nuclei, aka nucleons. Under the dominant influence of the electromagnetic force, nucleons and electrons form atoms, which in turn assemble the inorganic molecules, organic compounds, and molecular clusters. So under the dominant influence of the weak nuclear force, neutrons and protons undergo decay. When atoms, molecules, and their compounds accumulate to a certain mass, gravity becomes dominant, leading to the formation of minerals, life, mountains, planets, stars, and galaxies. In theory, the strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and weak nuclear force are unified within quantum field theory, while gravity is described by general relativity. On the subatomic scale, all matter in the universe is composed of 3 subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons, interacting through 4 fundamental forces: the strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and gravity. And so it says matter vibrates, and this vibration represents energy manifesting as a wave. So it says, it goes over like the full mathematics of all this stuff here. But basically, this is the governance token, the protocol token, the Einstein protocol governance token is the full name. EIN is the ticker symbol. There's a total supply of 9,990,620,000 EIN tokens. How it's split up here, it's split up between 3% going to mining rewards, 3% going to airdrops, 78.5% going to mining rewards. We got only 0.1% going to initial trading liquidity for the token. And then we got initial trading liquidity for 122 element tokens is 1.6%. Then we have another tiny little sliver, 0.0005% going to the initial trading liquidity for 5 material tokens. Team and investors get 6.7%, and Einstein Decentralized Autonomous Organization gets 10%. So there is going to be governance. Obviously, it's right in the name of the token. And there is, they go over the material tokens, which is atom, proton, neutrons, electron, and time. And their total supply, there are all sorts of, so there's a bunch of different tokens involved here. And then they have the element tokens. There's 122 unique ones like hydrogen, helium. They're basically the periodic table elements there. And so there's just, they talk about the protocol mechanism. So the EIN serves as both the governance token and the fee token for synthesizing, upgrading, downgrading, and decomposing element tokens within the protocol. All fees are burned, allowing EIN to capture the protocol's operational value through its deflationary mechanism. So this might be like the most amount of tokens I've ever seen from a project, because they have the 122 element tokens, they have the 5 material tokens, and then they have the governance protocol token. That's like 128 tokens involved in this ecosystem. That's pretty crazy. It says how to earn EIN. You can earn it through airdrop, liquidity mining, and super element staking, referrals, and direct purchase, like Mexc Global. And so then they talk about how to earn material tokens through, if you stake the EIN token, you can earn material tokens. There's referral direct purchases. And then there's swap pools. I mean, there's just lots of cool stuff here you could check out. So they have, basically, you can connect your wallet to the Einstein.game webpage. They also have a full white paper explaining all the element tokens, all these other things as well. Referral system, pools, NFTs, element crafting. You can check out my assets, airdrop section. Tons of cool stuff. And then this token has this Launchpool event and listing coming soon to Mexc Global. So check that out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.